English-Catalan future tense. I will have equals.
tindré,
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to level up your Catalan future tense? Let's make grammar fun and fast. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, freebies, and practice tools. Today you'll master the Catalan future of to have, perfect for plans, promises, and pretending your schedule is under control. Let's go. Your learning goal today. You'll learn the future forms of to have and say them with confidence. I will have.
tindré,
You, sing, will have.
tindràs,
He will have.
ell tindrà,
She will have.
ella tindrà,
It will have.
tindrà,
We will have.
tindrem,
You, plural, will have.
tindreu,
They will have.
ells tindran,
Pro tip. The base verb is
tenir,
and the future loves that Dr. Sparkle. Beat drill. Clap softly and repeat after me. Keep the rhythm and the smile. I will have.
tindré,
You will have. Sing.
tindràs,
He will have.
ell tindrà,
She will have.
ella tindrà,
It will have.
tindrà,
We will have.
tindrem,
You will have. Plural.
tindreu,
They will have.
ells tindran,
Now whisper them all in one breath, then say them loudly like a grammar rock star. Mini dialogue. Listen, picture the scene, and echo the Catalan out loud. You, tomorrow, I will have an hour free.
demà, tindré,
Una hora libre. Friend, great, then you will have time to help.
genial, aleshores tindràs,
Temps per ajuda. You, he will have the car, right?
ell tindrà,
El cotex, oi? Friend, yes, and she will have the tickets, I.
ella tindrà,
Lesson trades. You, perfect. The new phone will have better battery, el mobile no.
tindrà,
Miller bateria. Friend, we will have snacks.
tindrem,
Berenar. You, and you all will have maps, I vosalters.
tindreu,
Mapes. Friend, the volunteers? They will have badges, else voluntaris?
ells tindran,
AC reditations. Culture tip. A tiny Catalan culture boost for motivation. Before Sant Jordi, people say,
tindrem roses i llibres,
everywhere, books and roses for love and stories. Use the future to plan joy.
tindrem,
Temps per passajar, and yes.
tindrem,
Zuros, segur. Quick quiz. Answer fast. Say the Catalan out loud. How do you say, you will have, sing? Answer in 2, 1.
tindràs,
Translate. We will have enough time.
tindrem prou temps,
Catalan for, she will have.
ella tindrà,
Catalan for, it will have.
tindrà,
Catalan for, you will have, plural.
tindreu,
Catalan for, they will have.
ells tindran,
Your turn challenge. Speak your lines with confidence. Future you will thank you. Say, I will have the report tomorrow morning. Quote.
tindré,
L'inform Dima al-Mati. Say to a friend, sing, you will have the keys at reception. Quote.
tindràs,
Les claus à la recepció. About a feature, it will have offline mode. Quote.
tindrà,
Mode for a delinea. Team promise. We will have everything ready. Quote.
tindrem,
Taught a punt. Group reassurance, plural you will have time to rest. Quote.
Tindreu.
Temps per descansar. Update about others. They will have the results by Friday. Quote.
Ells tindran.
Els resultats per divendres. Bonus. Name the base verb.
Tenir.
Wrap up. Nice work, you owned the future tense today. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Tindré. Tindràs. Ell tindrà. Ella tindrà. Tindran. Tindrem. Tindreu. Ells tindran.
And you'll sound natural in no time. For more lessons, drills, and fun challenges, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Fins aviat.